Hey there, and welcome back to Grow and Nourish, the channel where healthy living meets real life. And we make it easy to fuel your family well without the stress. It's hearty, it's colorful, and it has all the nutrients we need in one handy-dandy pot. And this dish is pure comfort food disguised with hidden veggies. Grab a large pot and add 8 ounces of your favorite whole wheat or chickpea pasta. I hope these recipes give you some inspiration for those crazy busy weeks. Remember, you don't have to sacrifice on flavor or nutrition to save time. Quick and healthy can be oh so yummy. Thanks for joining me today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more healthy family meals, and leave me a comment with your favorite one-pot meal. Until next time, happy cooking and happy nourishing. This is a great way to use up any pasta you have on hand. Add 4 cups of water or veggie broth. Now add a grated zucchini and carrot. These add sweetness and mush, and for the spinach, we use baby spinach because it's mild and cooks quickly. Add 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic and a drizzle of olive oil. Bring it to a boil, then cover, reduce the heat, and simmer for 12 to 15 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. While the pasta cooks, whisk together 1/4 cup of milk or unsweetened plant milk with 1/4 cup of grated cheese. Once the pasta is almost done, stir in the milk mixture and let it simmer until the sauce is thickening. Taste and adjust seasonings, and voila! You have a creamy pasta that looks and tastes indulgent, but is actually packed with veggies. Serve it up and watch your kids dig in without even realizing they're getting their greens in. To get started, grab a large pot or Dutch oven and add a tablespoon of olive oil. And yes, it's healthy, high in protein, gluten-free, and totally satisfying. To a large pot or skillet, add 1 cup of quinoa, rinsed 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 cup of frozen corn and 1 bell pepper, diced. Now add 1 can of diced tomatoes, cumin, paprika, and some salt and pepper. Give it a stir and pour in 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then cover, reduce heat, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the quinoa is tender. Once it's done, you can serve it as is or top it with shredded cheese or avocado. This is a great way to use leftover taco meat or black beans, and it is perfect for those nights when you're re-craving tacos but don't want to fuss with all the fixings. The quinoa adds a nutty flavor and protein punch, while the beans and corn bring fiber and warmth. It's easy, it's delicious, and it's a great way to get your family excited about healthy eating. Now add 1 pound of diced chicken breast. You can use any chicken you like. Just cut it up into small pieces so it cooks evenly. Cook the chicken over medium heat for about 5 minutes until it's mostly cooked through. Next, add 1 cup of uncooked rice. Stir it around to coat the rice in that nice hot oil. This helps toast the rice a bit and adds a nutty flavor. Now pour in 2 cups of low sodium chicken broth. Then add 1/2 cup of chopped carrots, 1/2 cup of peas, and 1/4 cup of minced garlic. Give it a good stir and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, cover the pot, reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer for about 80 minutes. After 80 minutes, remove the lid. Give it a stir, and if the rice is tender and the veggies are soft, it's ready to serve. The beauty of this meal is that it's a complete meal in itself. You have protein from the chicken, carbs from the rice, fiber from the veggies, and some healthy fats from the oil and the chicken. Plus, it's really adaptable. Love different veggies? Add them in. Have leftover veggies hanging out in your fridge? Use those up. Want to add some spice? Kick it up a notch with some chili flakes or a dash of hot sauce. If you're new here, I'm a wife, mom, and registered dietitian nutritionist. And today we were talking about those crazy busy weeknights when it feels like you're running a marathon and dinner feels like the last leg of the race. But here's the thing. You won't have to sacrifice on nourishing food just because we short on time. And that's why I am sharing 3 of my favorite one-pot healthy meals that will save you time, energy, and sanity without sacrificing on flavor or nutrition. And yes, even picky eaters approved. So grab your apron and let's dive right in. First up, one-pot chicken and veggie rice. This is hands down my kids' favorite go-to meal. Next up, 1 pot creamy veggie pasta. Now, my kids aren't big fans of veggies, but sneak them in somehow. I do. Last but certainly not least, one pot taco quinoa skillet. This is a Tex-Mex fiesta in your kitchen. And there you have it. 3 one-pot meals that are quick, nutritious, and a breeze to clean up.